welcome back to my channel. It's Frances Brown Art, and I am continuing my exciting adventure with my mini Arteza pouring acrylics, and this time I thought I would just go a bit freestyle. So I'm going to do this and just pour it on and have it in no particular area, no particular order. So I've got lots and lots of colours to try and... Now this is the thing, this yellow is super thick. Hold on one moment. You can see how high that's standing on. Not entirely convinced by that yellow. And then we got fiery red, so we could put a little bit of the fiery red. Oops. And see, that's also super thick. My plan is to... I haven't really got a plan. I have a vague plan. Is to spread it all out, and then I will put my Christmas chain over the top and see what happens. I'm not sure. I'm unconvinced by these. I don't know if you can tell. But actually, you know, I mean, it's very cool because they're already mixed. But it does mean that you are quite restricted, I think, with... Alright, so I'm going to... I might do it with this, or I could do it with this. I might try it with this one. Restricted with what you can do, you know, normally. Ah, there we are. Yeah, that's what we can do. That shut me up, didn't it? That's actually really pretty. I might get my slightly smaller. This is a bit more handleable. Is that a word? Handleable. This isn't it, although this, in terms of a swipe, it's very pretty. But it's not, this is not the end result, because I am going to have a bit of a go with my, although I must say this is quite pretty, with my beads, and see if I can get any kind of fun result. So we're pretty covered now, all over, nearly. And I've not really made any kind of pattern or design, so this is a super easy way of, if it works, a super easy way of making a pattern. And that on its own, quite pretty. You've got quite a lot of silvery kind of things going on. I'm just going to fire it up to get rid of any air bubbles or anything like that. And then I shall have a play with the beads. Sorry, that, yeah, I'm not saying anymore. I think I'll do like this kind of thing. Don't know why I'm doing this kind of thing. I don't know where we're going with it. So some of it oopsie. Maybe I should have thought about this a little bit more. But that is okay, because we're just playing. Right, I'm not entirely convinced by this middle part, so I'm just having to think about what to do about that. The rest of it is quite cool. It's very colourful. Let's do colourful as a word. See if anything else pops up. Still very thick. This is it'll be interesting to see how it dries. If you do want to see how it dries, then go over onto my Instagram and see how it is on there. It's Francis _ Brown _ art. Make it into a wave. In the middle. Oh, you can see the writing underneath. That's quite cool. Oh, there's the middle. There we go. I'm leaving it. I think it's really funky. I will see what you think when you come down for your close-up. Okay, here's the close-up. It's a very interesting, very, very different to anything that I've done with my previous paintings. Oh, it could be like some kind of bird of paradise or something. I might play around with that and see if I can make it look into like a bird of paradise with a sunset behind it. There we go. Let me know what you think, whether you think this is fun, or if you've got any ideas of what you'd like me to try with the new paints. Okay, for the meantime, I'll send you lots of love and have a lovely day. Okay, bye-bye.